Good morning, friends. Miss Fire Eyes in here. Maybe you don't recognize me after the last couple weeks of only wearing sweatpants and sometimes baseball hats. You know, it's kind of weird. It's like opposite day. Because usually during the school year, Miss Fire Eyes doesn't wear jeans or sweatpants. We try to dress up. And once in a while, all the teachers get to wear jeans, or maybe we wear our pajamas for like Dr. Seuss week. And it always feels weird on those days to be dressed that way at school. But now that I've been home and wearing sweatpants every day, today Miss Fire Eyes has somewhere to go, and I actually had to like get ready to go, and it felt really weird. So, like I said, I have to be somewhere this morning, and I wanted to tape it this morning for you guys. So I'm not going to read a story. We're just going to go over what is on the calendar today. And for parents, we weren't scheduled to have school yesterday, so that's why there wasn't a video. And just going forward, even on weeks where we weren't in session, weren't supposed to be in session on a Friday or a certain day, we still are going to fill in the activities on our calendar. But I'll say it again. Please do not worry about completing these activities, or if you want to do them or you don't, or if you're kind of doing school at home a different way. Sounds good to me. All right, friends, number one to do today is to read 20 minutes to your kiddo, maybe a big brother or a sister. Them hearing you read makes them excited to read, so good. And if you do read for 20 minutes or you finish a book, then go ahead and fill out one of those umbrellas. I was also thinking about kiddos, maybe you're not finishing the book in 20 minutes because you're reading kind of a long one or even a chapter book. You can still fill out an umbrella. It's just each time that you sit down and read, like on purpose, you get to fill out an umbrella. And let me see. Oh, I can't remember. I'll think of it. Oh, I can't remember. Oh, somebody else sent me a picture yesterday of all their umbrellas filled out. So, and whoever that is, I'm going to remember. And then tomorrow in the video, I will tell you congratulations. I'm really sorry that I forgot your name just for a minute. Okay, so for today, you're going to take Post-it notes, which are those little square things with stickies. If you don't have those, obviously paper will work, scrap paper, whatever you want to use. You're going to write the numbers 1 through 10. Actually, that is for the number activity. Sorry about that. You're going to take Post-it notes and you're going to write every letter of the alphabet. If your kiddo is just so good at uppercase and it's a breeze, try doing lowercase. If they have a really good grasp on those two, maybe put a mix of them in there. Anyways, hide them all over the house and have them go find them and put them in order, maybe on the kitchen table as they find them or something. Then with the numbers, you're going to write the numbers on a piece of paper and have them trace over it. If they, again, are doing just such a great job, you can write them over on one column and have them trace it over here. Or you can have them do it with their fingers, however you want to mix it up. We want you to draw your name with a pencil today. And remember why we're doing that, sometimes with pencils, sometimes with crayons, sometimes pens, markers, all that, because some of them are bigger than others, and so you have to pinch differently. It's different. It feels different when you're holding it. And like we talked about last week, a colored pencil and a pen and a regular pencil might all feel the same way in your fingers, because they're maybe kind of the same size. It feels different when you do it on paper. A marker feels way different when you go to put it on paper than a crayon does. So you have to kind of push in a different way with your fingers. Okay, then it says draw shapes all over, not all over a piece of paper, friends. So maybe a circle and a triangle and a square. And of course, I forgot to bring paper with me here. And maybe after you have them on there, you're going to try to turn them into a farm or a zoo scene and turn the circle into a cow's face or a chicken or a gorilla, whatever it is you want. Or our favorite animal that we decided, the sloth. Friends, if you remember, after this, you should have your mom and dad watch that video of the sloth eating the carrots on YouTube. It's so funny. All right, then we want you to hop 5 times on one foot, hop 5 times on the other. Make sure your legs and your knees are working all those joints. Our Go Noodle song today is disco. D-I-S-C-O, that's the way we disco. It's a good one. And then you're going to, you can either have your parent or an adult or whatever see an animal, and then you have to make your body into that animal, okay? Or you could do it the other way where you act out an animal and the other person guesses. However it is, you're going to try to take your body and put it into a position that might look like an animal from the zoo or the farm. All right, and so quick, oh, funny. The letter that just happened to be there that I'm going to pick is the letter O. It's probably so easy for you guys. And here's what we do. It looks like the person is kind of surprised, what your mouth would look like with the surprise when you'd say, oh. And we, because we do them every morning, we tried to add a little story to it. So we would say, oh, you like the Packers? Oh, the letter is O. And perhaps some of you who know me are laughing because I do have a very up north accent, as I've heard. I don't hear it, so if I'm saying that wrong or ridiculously, I'm sorry, but we, at least if they can look at this and say the letter O, we've done our job here. Remember this, friends, looks like a finger, and we point to our eye, top lashes, bottom lashes. This looks like a smile. Who do I like to see smile? You and you and you and you. The letter's U. And these look like mountains. Who's going to climb them? I am. The letter is M. The reason that we say it in that way is as we're learning them, we want to give all the kids a chance to get the letter. And sometimes we say things so quickly that other kids don't get the chance. So that's why we say it. The letter is O or B or whatever that is at the end, to give everybody a chance to kind of catch up and see if they can see what that letter is, if that makes sense to you. Okay, have a great day. It's kind of supposed to be chilly, and maybe some snow. Man, that was weird yesterday. Blizzard, not blizzard, snowing, not snowing. It's supposed to be kind of the same today, but by the end of the week, it's going to warm up. So take care. Be well.